Hey folks, Jim Thomas here, Fitness Management and Consulting, and I appreciate you being here at the channel today. And for those of you that have not yet done so, please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. And if you find the information that I provide beneficial, please hit that like button as well. Now, our topic for you today, it's 5 bold ways to grow your gym business. 5 bold ways to grow your gym business. And number 1, if you feel like you have the right idea, which hopefully you do, otherwise why would you do it, right? Go all in. Go all in if you have the right idea. Go all in. Whenever you hedge your bet, it's never going to work like it could. Okay? And I'll give you an example. One of the stories that's been around for a number of years, if you're a football fan, NFL football fan, is the story of the Dallas Cowboys when Jerry Jones bought that team. By the way, I think that team, as we speak, what are they worth? $5.5 billion, or Jerry's worth $5.5 billion. But when he bought that team, I think he bought it for $147 million. It was an organization that was losing a lot of money, and when you read the information, he leveraged everything he had to get that done, to the point that he had no choice but to make that thing work. It was a bold move, and it really paid off. And so we're talking about bold ways to grow your business. Well, go all in. So when you're looking at this, are you going all in, or are you hedging your bet? If you want to make that bold move, go all in, and whatever going all in might mean for you. Number 2, never give up. You simply don't quit. You never get up. You keep getting after it. Every single day you get up and you start from scratch, you start from zero, and you work the program. Every single day you simply get up and work the program. Never give up. Make sure you're focused on solutions and getting the job done. Okay? Never give up. Don't even let that become part of the conversation. Number 3, bold ways to grow your business. Buy a competitor. Take over one of your competitors. There's a lot of gyms out there that are still in business, still rolling, but maybe they don't want to be. Or maybe there's an opportunity to acquire them at a discount. What if you can acquire a competitor that had a $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 monthly dues base, that had a renewal list, that had a full email database, that had website URLs, that had phone numbers you could push over, that had staff you could get. But think about buying a competitor, taking over a competitor. I know one of the things that we do for our clients is we send out a letter. Okay, it comes from me, but we send out a letter to all the local clubs, letting them know that, hey, I represent a group in the area that's interested in acquiring the assets of local gyms, local fitness centers. But buy a competitor. This is a great, bold way to grow your business, and you can grow it quickly, and you can grow it exponentially. You can get more equipment. There's a lot that can come from that. It's a bold move. Number 4, adopt new technologies. Constantly be looking at potential new technologies. We're not trying to take the human element out of this. We don't want to take the human connection out, but be adopting new technologies, better ways that we can follow up with our customers, better ways we can understand customer behaviors, better ways of understanding of what our clients are looking for, better ways of understanding staff performance. But adopt new technologies, find new ways to become more efficient, more effective, and more ways to duplicate yourself. Don't get stuck in that mindset of this is how we've always done it. All right? And then number 5 bold ways. Number 5, don't be afraid to change directions with your new customer. Don't be afraid to change directions with that new customer. And so what do I mean by that? Well, when we sign up that new customer, are we doing a second sale? That second sale, what we know, 20% of our customers will buy it. What if it's personal training? What if at point of sale, what if you sell 100 people a month and 20% of them buy PT? What if another 20% buy retail? Are we doing that right now? Let's change that direction. How about when you sign somebody up? If you're signing them up on a month to month, what if all of a sudden You're getting them on a 12-month agreement. What if you're signing somebody up on a 12-month program, and let's say it's $80 a month? Well, on your balance sheet, they owe you $80. What if it's on a 12-month commitment? They owe you $960. Okay, same customer, same cost to get them. One owes you $80, one owes you $960. Now, we have to make this palatable for the customer as well. It can't be a one-way street, right? But don't be afraid to change direction with this new customer. How are you handling that? How are you getting more customer, or how more revenue per customer? Because all of a sudden, instead of getting 80, you're getting 960. Instead of not selling PT, you are. And instead of not selling retail, you are. That's a big change right there. So we're looking at 5 bold ways to grow your gym business. And think about this in whatever role that you might have. Okay, 5 bold ways to grow your sales. Okay, but go all in, never give up, buy a competitor, take over a competitor, adopt new technologies, and then change direction with your customer. Folks, my name is Jim Thomas. My company is Fitness Management Consulting. Very much I appreciate you being here today. Again, hit that like button if you find the content beneficial to you. Check out the links below to learn more about my company, and certainly you can go to fmconsulting.net and check out more about what we do and how we can help you grow and develop your business. And I look forward to seeing you all in that next video.